Among the projects inspected by the ad hoc committee on the investigation of completion of Abuja-Kaduna-Kano road during an oversight visit was the 324-kilometer from Abuja to Kaduna-Kano road with carriageway of 375.9 kilometers long across 3 sections. At 165 kilometers Zuba-Kaduna road, it is observed that half of the carriageway is occupied by debris, while Jerry in Kaduna road, skeletal job is seen ongoing on some bad sections of the road, with broken asphalt, same at Kacha local government area of Kaduna State. Honorable Aminu Sani Jaji, who led members of the ad hoc committee on the oversight of the road project, frowned at the way the projects are being handled, as some of the contractors were not on site. He described it as disappointing.
Well, actually, after the mandate given to this ad hoc committee, we decided to embark on the assessment tower, which I will need today. So what we have seen a lot, and that is why we said that we cannot do anything rather than coming to see for ourselves. Seeing for ourselves will give us a headway on what to do, and in fact even assess the nature of the work and then the problem. What everybody can see today is we are not that too comfortable with the way the work are doing, because even the contractor, they need to have a kind of some coordination, maybe with some others, maybe either road safety and some other agency that will assist them in doing their work. But you can see that they are not there, and then they need to be supported or assisted. But for whatever reason, I think they were trying, but we are not impressed. That the work has been awarded for almost 6 years also, and then the way and manner the contractors are doing the work, it is too slow, and that is why the House deemed it very necessary to constitute the committee under the leadership of the Speaker, the ENDSears-Memorial. And I believe constitution of this committee will bring a positive outcomes to this Abuja-Kaduna-Kano road, by God's grace. So whether the issue of funding, or the issue of contractor, or the issue of technical, whatever problem it is, we started our journey today. And by God's grace, we'll do the input and we'll ensure that whether it is funding, whatever problem it is, it will be sorted out, and then the work is going to be done as it is, going by the mandate given to this committee to monitor the Abuja-Kaduna-Kano highway. So we'll do our best to ensure that the voting has been done in accordance with the contractual agreement and others application that's supposed to do with the National Assembly, not especially this particular committee.
He urged the communities around and the road users to be patient with the contractors, as the federal government is committed to making lives better for Nigerians.
So they should be patient, because that is the only thing one can say, because I'm part of the people that are using the road. I know how bad it is. I'm using almost every week. So we know how it is. At times we have a gridlock, so many things like that. So if there are challenges of that nature, the only thing is to be patient. But there should be rest assured the National Assembly are ever ready to ensure that this work is completed in due course. Since there is intervention from the National Assembly, I think both the contractors and the minister, they need to hold on to their position so that the necessary thing must be done in accordance with the contractual agreement. The minister said that he's going to revoke the contract if the so condition, they refuse to abide by that condition. So for us, we don't know that condition yet until we get it formally, and we have requested all necessary information from the ministry, and as well as we are going to write to all relevant agencies, including those that are responsible for this palliative exercise that are taking place in this Abuja-Kaduna road. So we'll do our best to ensure that whoever needs to be addressed will be addressed in due course.
The chairman of the committee on the investigation of completion of the Abuja-Kaduna-Kano road, Honorable Aminu Sani Daji said Abuja-Kaduna Road is one of the most significant highways in Nigeria, which connects Abuja to the key cities of northwest and northeast states and serve as a critical artery for trade, transportation, and national integration. As such, the need for urgent completion of the road rehabilitation. It will be recalled that in August 2024, during a meeting with Julius Berger representatives, the federal government committed 20 billion naira monthly for the completion of the dualization of an 82 kilometers section of each carriageway, totaling 164 kilometers of the Abuja-Kaduna-Kano road, with a target completion timeline of 40 months. From Kaduna State, it's Christy Awudage reporting from Mass Television.